What's up, YouTube? Bowman Suit here. Come back with another box break 09 Gridiron Gear. Holy crap, my X-Acto knife, I had it upside down. I'm gonna try to do it the right way. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Pack 1, good luck. Those are all falling all over the place. These packs give me trouble, so bear with me here. The freaking material that you use, I'm telling you. Got a Hakeem Nicks Next Generation number 13 of 250. All base. Well, I got a rookie card of Quan Cosby, numbered at 999. I don't know why I look at numbering. Deion Butler, top performers, numbered at 250 for the Seahawks. Darius Butler, numbered at 250 for the Pats. X's insert. Our first hit in here. Good luck. It's not a college I like. Who beat Notre Dame? Tulsa. It's for the Seahawks. Number 250. Player timeline. Steve Largent jersey. Steve Largent for the Seahawks. Who played for Tulsa, obviously. Tulsa kicking the crap. Well, I didn't kick the crap out of Notre Dame, but they sure beat us, that's for sure. Nice looking card. Congratulations to the Seahawks. You had the Seahawks. You're all cool looking at the Seahawks. Alright, moving right along. Rookie card of DeAndre Levy for the Lions. That one's number 999. Got a... Nope, no. Thought it was a hit, but it's not. Just decoy. Wes Welker X's insert for the Pats. Number 250. Yeah, sports fan, I agree. What amazes me is Brian Kelly said he would do it again if he had the chance. He would do the same play again. That's a nice looking autograph. Numbered 78 of 100. Just pulled him out of UD Heroes for the Rams. James Laurinaitis. Whoever had the Rams is going to start himself a James Laurinaitis PC. Numbered to 100. Nice looking card. Yeah, there you go. Sick. Number 78 of 100. Got a Jamarcus Russell X's card, who actually worked out for the Redskins not too long ago. Poor Donovan McNabb. Nobody wants him anywhere. Like Shanahan's a retard. All base. Truth, yeah. Unfortunately, even though he's overweight, apparently he's still worked out. You're right. Number 22 of 100, player timeline for the Jets of Vernon Golston. A little overweight. At least last time I heard he was a little overweight. I don't know him, but... Travis Beckham, number 999. Looking for one more hit. Hopefully a decent one. Got 5 packs left. I don't know what Mike Shanahan's thinking, honestly. I'm thinking he's thinking that Donovan McNabb is going to dip out now. Base. Yeah, he's not, for sure. Says McNabb doesn't have a cardiovascular to do a 2-minute drill, but whatever. On a Kevin Ogletree, number 250 rookie for the Cowboys. Yeah, didn't have the endurance to do the 2-minute drill. Didn't know the play. He came up with so many excuses. Didn't know the plays. Didn't have the endurance. Brooks Foster, number 999 for the Rams. Who knows? Shanahan's a good coach, but sometimes they have brain farts and they just don't think. Malcolm Jenkins, number 250 for the Saints. Alright, we're still looking for one more hit, and this is the last pack. It felt kind of thick, so I kind of threw it aside. And there's a hit in here. So good luck. Good luck. It's backwards. Wow, sick patches. Too bad that wasn't autographed. Number 34 of 100. 3-color patch, 1-color patch. Plates and patches for the Chargers. Antonio Gates. Antonio Gates. Check those out. Sick. Nice looking patches. A little blue in there with the yellow and white. Part of the bolt. Pretty nice. So that is the Gridiron Gear. You know, Gridiron Gear could have been a little bit better. I usually do really good with Gridiron Gear. That was a so-so box, I would say. So hopefully the Absolute Memorabilia makes up for that. But come back with some more. Bum to suit out.